So in this video today, I have started decorating for Christmas, and we are going to be working on a couple of cloches, so come on with me, guys. Now I'm starting out with this one, which I absolutely love, and we are going to be wiping this down, getting it nice and clean, and then choosing the items that we're going to display in this first cloche. So I hope you guys are happy about decorating for the holidays, guys. I am in the process of taking the fall stuff down, and so we're starting here with a lot of my display items, so I'm really excited. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you so much for supporting my channels, and I will be linking those below in my description box. Now, just so you know, I do have a couple of collaborations that I host in this channel, okay? And that is the Foodie Grocery Haul. If you guys are interested in that, I would love to have you. I also host Clean and Decorate, which is a really fun collab because no matter what we clean, we always go back and redecorate. And this is something that happens every season, so I'm excited. Or if we're refreshing our home. So I would love to have you. Make sure and head on over to my community tab because there is where I keep everybody posted. Now, I also host another collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. So Quick and Easy Meals is really exciting because there's nothing that you cannot do in this collaboration. You can cook your meals, you can go light, you can go something easy, you can buy something, you can go out to eat, you can grill. The possibilities with this collaborations are endless, and I would love to have you. Now this cloche here, I decided to keep it like golden white, and it kind of matches the outside decorations. This is such a beautiful cloche, and this was a DIY cloche. I did this a couple years back, and I think this one came out gorgeous. Now we're going to work on the bigger one that I DIY'd, and these are all DIY'd with thrifted items. So now this one here, after I wiped it down and I had some items already on the counter over to the left, I decided to go with probably some traditional. I'm not really sure which way I'm going with it, but I think traditional colors and my nutcrackers is what I'm going to use. So I think this one came out absolutely beautiful. I am loving my nutcrackers and the colors. Look at that. So I think it's time to head on over to the reveal. I can't wait. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.